Now, 6b, question number 2a. Express each of the following as a fraction in its simplest form. So, a, 5 divided by a plus 3 divided by a plus. Look, here, the LCM of a and a plus 4 will be a into a plus. Okay. And we'll multiply this 5 by this one and a by this one. This is called butterfly method. We'll just multiply in that way. 5 into this, a into 3. Okay. So 5 multiplied by a plus 4 plus 3 multiplied by a. So what will we get? We can write in this way. 5a plus 5 4s are 20 plus 3a divided by a into a plus. So 5 plus 3, that will be 8a. 8a plus 20 divided by a into a plus 4. Done. Similarly, if I want to solve b, 1 by 2b minus 3 by b plus c. Similarly, what will be the LCM? LCM will be 2b into b plus c. Okay. Now, we multiply this 1 by this and this 2b by 3. So, 1 multiplied by b plus c minus 3 multiplied by 2b. So, 1 into b plus c, that will be b plus c minus 3 2s are 6 divided by 2b into b plus. So, here minus 6b plus b minus 5b. So, c minus 5b divided by 2b into b plus c. Now, question number C. 4 divided by d minus 5 plus 2 divided by 2d plus 3. Look, what is the LCM? D minus 5 into 2d plus 3. Now, do the cross multiplication. So, we'll multiply these two and these two. So, 4 into 2d plus 3 plus 2 multiplied by d minus 5. Now, what is the LCM? The denominator is d minus 5 into 2d plus 3. And numerator, 4 2s are 8d plus 4 3s are 12 plus 2 multiplied by d, 2d minus 2 5s are 10. So, 8 plus 2, that will be 10d. 12 minus 10, that will be 2. So, 10d plus 2 divided by d minus 5 into 2d plus 3. Okay, very simple one. Now, question number D. D says 2 divided by f plus 5 minus 3 divided by f minus 1. So, similarly, the denominator will be f plus 5 into f minus 1, and we'll multiply this one. 2 multiplied by this and 3 multiplied by this. So, 2 multiplied by f minus 1 and minus 3 multiplied by f plus 5. So, 2 multiplied by f minus 1, that will be 2f minus 2 minus 3 multiplied by 3f minus plus minus a minus 3 5s are 50 divided by f plus 5 into f minus 1. So here 2f minus 3f, that will be minus f minus 2 minus 15 minus 7 divided by f plus 5 into f minus 1. And this is the solution of question number 3. 11 divided by 3h minus 7 plus 2 divided by 6 minus 5h. So what will be the LCM? LCM will be 3h minus 7 into 6 minus 5h. So 3h minus 7 into 6 minus 5. So we will multiply these two and these two. So 11 multiplied by 6 minus 5h plus 2 multiplied by 3h minus 7. Now 11 6 are 66 minus 11 5s are 55h plus 2 3s are 6h minus 14 divided by 3h minus 7 into 6 minus 5. So 66 minus 14, that will be 52, minus 55 plus 6 will be minus 49, divided by 3h minus 7 into 6 minus 5h. Right now, question number F. Question number F says 3 divided by k square minus 1 plus 2 divided by k minus 1. So k square minus 1. By using algebraic identity a square minus b square, we know that it will be a plus b into a minus b. So k square minus 1, that means k square minus 1 square will be k plus 1 into k minus 1. So here 3 divided by, instead of k square minus 1, we can write k plus 1 into k minus 1 plus 2 divided by k minus 1. Now what will be the LCM? LCM will be k plus 1 into k minus 1 because k minus 1 already given here. So here LCM will be k plus 1 into k minus 1. K minus 1. Now here at numerator 3 will be same plus here k minus 1 is present. Look, k minus 1 is present. Okay. So what will be left? K plus 1. So this k plus 1 will be multiplied by 2. So 2 multiplied by k plus 1. Here 3 plus 2k plus 2 divided by k plus 1 into k minus 1. So at last we get 3 plus 2, that will be 5. So 5 plus 2k divided by k plus 1 into k minus 1. So this is the answer of number F. Now to number G. To number G says 3 divided by, instead of 4m square minus 1. Look, 4m square minus 1 can be written as 2m whole square minus 1 square. From the idea of algebraic identity, we can write a square minus b square will be a plus b into a minus b. So instead of 2m minus 1 whole square, we can write 2m plus 1 into 2m minus 1. Okay, so 3 divided by 2m plus 1 into 2m minus 1. Okay, minus 5 divided by 2m plus 1. So here the LCM of this one and this one will be 2m plus 1 into 2m minus 1. So 2m plus 1 into 2m minus 1. So what will you do? Here the denominators are same, so 3 will be same, but we will multiply 5 by 2m minus 1 because 2m plus 1 is present, but what will be left? 2m minus 1. So we'll multiply this 5 by 2m minus 1. Okay, now calculate and you will get your answer. So 3 minus 5 to the 10m, 10m minus 5 into minus 1. Minus 1 is say plus 5 divided by 2m plus 1 into 2m minus 1. So 5 plus 3, that will be 8. 8 minus 10m divided by 2m plus 1 into 2m minus 1. This is the answer. Now 2h. 2h, look, 2 divided by n minus 2. Here plus 3 divided by n minus 2 whole square. That means n minus 2 into n minus 2. Okay. So what is the LCM? N minus 2 into n minus 2. That means n minus 2 whole square. Okay. Now here n minus 2 whole square. But here 1 n minus 2 has been given. So we need to multiply this 2 by another n minus 2 plus 3. Then 2 into n, 2n minus 2 to the 4 plus 3 divided by n minus 2 whole square. So 2n minus 1 divided by n minus 2 whole square. This is our answer.